Gabe?
How much up are you, bud?
Not much. I just want a quick rundown on the bike.
Hold up.
Just real quick.
I gotta figure this.
I know parts are coming, but this bike looks so sexy. I want a quick rundown.
We got the tires.
Brand new tires. Twins.
Where's this needle nose? I'm gonna have this off, you can grease your pedal all over again. What the fuck is that? What is that? Put it in the middle there.
Sounds like progress.
Get it. What just hit me on the head? It's coming a little bit. Got it. Hi! Don't let it. I almost poked the damn tube though. Turn it around to the other side. Well, it's pretty flimsy. Ah! Fuck! I just stood up into that thing.
And what?
That.
Dude, Cam's got a video on his phone of us doing wheelies.
I'm like pressing hard on it, but I'm like going easy.
Get the mallet going.
Connor, do this with me. Yep, scratch the rim.
Come on, man. Oh, winner, winner.
Did I get you?
Yeah.
You good?
Just the stock one. Sharp.
I almost stabbed the kid.
You did. They're not sharp though.
I'm sorry, Connor.
I got the screwdriver in the arm, it was good.
You worked that tire.
Came right off.
Another blunt.
So far so good.
Sprocky.
Be careful with that.
Tosses it.
Sketch. You hold the rim, Connor, we'll pull the tire. You have lube?
Look at this tire machine we got going on. Damn. Just leave that little shine right there.
Get the fuck in the hole. I'm getting pissed. I like it because it's like soap. Smells fire. Can you do any more with your knee? Okay, let's try it. Oh man. I fucked it too.
Just a dab of nail polish. Fuck. Yeah, try that on. Try that on.
Oh, look at that scratch.
Pretty pissed off.
Those are sick. One wheel done. Tighten that. Bring this over there while it's still got the grease there.
That's what we're gonna do.
It makes the bead seat so much easier. Just like
Pop
straight in.
Pull the other one out.
Get that out my face. Make sure you get that tight so we don't have it flat.
I would, if I ran this tire flat, I'd fucking lose me. Put her on the right way, boys. That thing's dirt.
That does look so sick, man. It's gonna look so wide once it's inflated. Nice.